Now this one is going to be full. This one's going to be beyond full. So there's a lot to learn here. So check this out. This is a 4-inch round. The leaves fall through it so nice. That's why on my property, this is what I went with, was a 4-inch round downspout. We're not done, guys. We're not done. So I got busy at work and didn't clean out my leaf filter. So as a result, the leaves, once the leaf filter housing filled up with leaves, water will still flow through the leaves, even though they're building up in the downspout. Now, 2x3 downspouts will clog if you let this happen. 3x4s, you can get away with it. And, of course, the 4-inch round, well, it's just like an elevator. It just keeps dropping. It takes the leaves from the top gutter and drops them down into the leaf filter. And as you can see, I just keep pulling them out. Pretty wild, guys. I don't have to get on a ladder to clean my gutters. They all wash right through the system with a 4-inch round downspout. That's why I'm such a fan of the 4-inch round downspout. Now, if you don't want to do the half-moon expensive gutter, you can go to a K-style gutter and still use the 4-inch round downspout. We're still pulling leaves out. Quite amazing. Quite amazing. Now, would that plug a line? That will plug any line. I don't care what size pipe. I don't care what the pipe is made of. That is going to clog any downspout line. Look at that amount of leaves that I pulled out of that leaf filter, 4-inch round downspout. Pretty amazing. So this is the only maintenance you need to do to your leaf filter. Just check it during the fall and remove those leaves, or they'll break down and turn into topsoil. Believe it or not, I've seen it. No other leaf filter on the market works like this. This protects you in so many ways. As a contractor of 38 years, I knew what the leaves and trees did to underground buried downspout lines. It's the #1 cause of clogs. All right, all the leaves are finally down off all the trees. This will be the final cleaning. I have this 4-inch round, and it lets me get away with not having to clean the leaf filters as much, that's for sure. Our clog-free design lets the water still flow. I expect it's going to be pretty packed because I only cleaned it out once. Yeah, it's pretty tight. It's pretty packed. The water still flows behind the screen. All right, last time I didn't wear gloves. I have gloves this time, and you should wear gloves because the downspouts are sharp. All right, so I have more. I just keep pulling it down. So basically, I just tap it. If there's anything stuck in there, it will fall. So this is my second time to clean it. Right there, that's how much I got. So when you have a 2x3 or 3x4, you want to clean them more frequently than just twice in the fall. You definitely, when you see the leaves are coming down hard, you know, you want to get out there and clean them with every rain. Every rain is going to wash leaves into your gutter system. All right, everybody, if you like the content that I'm uploading, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you like the products that we're making right here in the USA, I'd like to hear your thoughts about that versus having it made in China in the comments section. All right, everybody, until that next video.